Carton on the fan.
Right now.
Yeah, right now. Later this morning, me and Mike, 1993, 23 years ago. At a moment.
We found the tapes. We found everything. Okay.
Yeah, we found it all right. You want to hear it now?
Sure. Why not?
Play it.
You're on the money. We got to take a break. We appreciate you guys stopping by.
Good job with you. Keep up
Thank
the
you
good
very
work.
much.
Keep up the good
see you guys
work.
down the line, and that's Chris Russo and Mike Francesa here on 3WE.
Keep up the good work. I have.
Keep up the good work. There you go.
You know, it's funny. He sounds exactly the same. I sound like I'm 9. You know, hard living, boom. That's what
Yeah,
it's
I hear
been.
you.
You know, ever since I got back from you know, that hand-to-hand combat I used to do, the voice has just gone south on me. You know, it's called hard living. It's a lot of whiskey in a lot of small little towns, taverns from here to there, bad light, bad air, but good whiskey. You know?
Right.
All right.